In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this satisfying looping animation using Blender. First of all, select everything and delete it. Then press Shift-A and add a plane. Great, we're done in the viewport and now we can move to the Geometry Node section. In Geometry Nodes, first click New. Then press Shift-A and add an icosphere. Also make sure that's connected to the group output. Then you can add an extrude mesh between them. Don't forget about the wave texture that we are going to plug into the extrude mesh. To make our object especially interesting, add a math node, set it to multiply and set the value to 2. On the wave texture, set the scale to 0.5. For the final touch, add a set material node right before the group output and set the material to your own material. Now quickly hop back to the icosphere and set the subdivisions to 5. Although, if your computer can't handle that, set it to 4 or 3. It's gonna be fine. First, go to the cut between the windows, then right click and set it to horizontal split. Change it from viewport to timeline. Now you can go down to the wave texture, position your cursor on the phase offset and press I on your keyboard. This is going to create a new keyframe. Now drag the time head to the frame 240 and set the end of the animation to the same amount. Go back to the wave texture, change the value to pi times 2 and press I. Don't ask me why, I don't know it, this is going to make a loop. Now to make this entire thing a little smoother, go under the output properties and set the frame rate to 30. Make some materials and add some lights and you should pretty much end up with something like this. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial and learned something from it. So until next time, goodbye.